Hello everyone, I'm Vicky. It's my pleasure to share my speech entitled The Essence of Charisma. Becoming a charismatic person is something many people desire. Charismatic people are charming, full of confidence, and are often natural leaders. We may not fully understand why they are so captivating, yet we find ourselves drawn to them and wanting to be like them. Therefore, understanding the key traits of a charismatic person is essential for developing charisma ourselves. When charismatic people speak, they exude firm confidence that naturally makes you believe in what they say. Their attractiveness lies in how they express ideas rather than just the way they speak. Moreover, their tone is authentic and warm, making you feel either relaxed or energized when you hear them. They also know how to use well-timed pauses and humor to engage their audiences. However, being a great speaker is not enough to be truly charismatic. Charismatic individuals are also great listeners. They give you their full attention, maintaining eye contact and a warm smile, making you feel like the most important person in the room. More importantly, they show tolerance and openness, allowing you to express yourself without fear of judgment. They do not just listen or speak. They also guide others and inspire others toward improvement. Thanks for listening. Have a nice day.